not say, so let me ask. Verse 3. You say you ask and receive not, because you ask amiss, that you may consume it. You're lost. So every time selfishness takes over, there can be no result. This is the lesson Hannah had to learn in the hard way. She came to pray, Lord, look at Penina. She has 10 children. Why don't I have anyone? No, God was quiet until she learned selflessness.